Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. So today's question is by Gilila Vikram. The question is, I'm facing a problem in the odd man out questions. Yes, verbal ability you need to practice separately, specifically the jumble para and odd man out. So it's odd man out, normally if you practice and get the right ideas, it could help you to solve better. There are two ways of solving odd man out. So let me just put that idea behind it, try it out and go about it. So if you find that the time is less and you don't have much time, just try to look at a common idea and one sentence which doesn't have that idea at all and mark that as the answer. Just glance through the statements, see what is the common idea which is there across the statements and which statement doesn't have that idea. Okay, it could be anything. I mean, it could be, and it has to be more specific and more detailed than maybe very general idea. See, is there a detailed idea which is there across? Okay, for example, maybe the question talks about military, but maybe the four statements talk about military equipments, one talks about military in general, so the military in general would be the answer. Just giving an idea. So look at a common idea in four of the statements, or most, and mainly most of the statements, and one which is odd man out. Second is solve like a jumble para. So if you have time, then maybe you can try to link sentences, form a paragraph, and see one sentence which does not form a paragraph. Okay, that is the second way of solving, but that you require time. If you feel you have a time, you can form the jumble para, try to find the odd man out and work on it. So look at both the concepts together. Look at finding the odd man out through the ideas formation, find the odd man out using the jumble para combination, and then see whether same statements comes to be the answer. If it comes, the probability of going right goes up. Try different techniques, that's what is important, and see what works for you, what doesn't. Normally combination of different techniques is what helps you to do better. So work on the combination of different techniques to solve the questions. Hopefully you should be able to solve and get correct. Thank you.